up, y'all? Right now I'm gonna show you how you can make shit ton of profits of meme coins in 2025. It's like hype right now, so you gotta lock in and listen all I say to you. So we have three methods of meme coin creation right now. First of all, we're gonna talk about this method. This is the deck screener. How you can get an idea for a meme token. Basically, all you can do is just go to deck screener. Wait for it to respond. The screener, and just look at some coin and copy it simply. But it's not perfect method. If you're a noob in this, it's a really bad method because you can just lose all your funds and don't do any profits. And as you can see, all of these tokens, a lot of animals. It's like very good for meme coin. Some animals, some like stupid picture, AI with AI, but I don't recommend this method basically because it's for not for beginners. So let's move on and talk about second method. The second method, copy the coin, but not from the deck screener. We can use this time PumpFun. PumpFun is not the good to copy the token. Better to use Photon. We go on the Photon and just put here radium. As you can see, again, some animal token, a lot of animal token. They literally the same. Look, this guy used literally the same method. Let's take a look at this picture and then we go on a deck screener. As you can see, Moonpeak, the same shit every time. So how do we do this? Still not the best method, but you can just basically copy the idea and make your own picture. I'm not using this method so much because third method is OP, most my favorite method. Every time I do the most with it. So let's talk about third method. Boom, make your own idea. Yeah, bro, it's the best you can do because it's unique and more buyers will believe that this not scam, this not rug pull. So you need to make your own idea. That's the perfect method. So how do we make your own idea? You can use ChatGPT, you can use a lot of AIs, but bro, don't copy the tokens because it's shit. It's not so good like making your own idea. So when you find some token and you create it, you have some good idea. How do we launch a token? We have two methods. First is PumpFun. As you know, PumpFun is not a good method. It's really bad. Let's take a look. We go on the PumpFun and like 10 tokens in 5 seconds. It's not really good because nobody will buy a token, you just lose funds, and honestly don't anybody use PumpFun no more. So let's move on and work smarter. What's the second method? It's to launch the token on the Radium. You ask, what's the difference between PumpFun and Radium? Let's go on the Photon Sol, and I put the PumpFun on the DEX so you can see. Look at this flash of the trash. That's crazy. Like 6 token in 20 seconds? It's not good. Like really, your token have 20 seconds to be on the top charts. It's really really bad, and it's not the main issue, bro. It's not even the main issue. Look at this market caps. 5k is default for PumpFun. You can not even 100% that your token have 5k from PumpFun, so it's just trash. We gotta use Radium instead. Let's take a look at the Radium. Switch the DEXs on Radium. As you can see, market caps is crazy. Like, it's not thousands, it's millions and billions here. It's the difference. And 2 tokens for the last 3 minutes. Your token will be in the top page for 30 minutes, bro. As you can see, this token was created 31 minutes ago, and he's still on the top page, and people still buy it. I see it's already racked. Yes, the guy just drag it, make shit ton of profit because he launched in a Radium. So if you want to launch in a Radium, you need to use code, and there is a issue, there is a barrier. If you don't know how to code, what you should do next? Learning how to code? No, there are already a method how you can launch your own token without coding. Let's go on a Bitlexol website. Boom. This website allows you to create meme token without coding, so you can just basically write your name and symbol, put your image here, and boom, your token on Radium. That's simple. Let's start. First of all, we need to make an image for our token. Let's go on a Canva. You can just press customize size, and we need to put 128 by 128. Is the perfect size for a token. Then we just select the photo. I have this Zeus photo. It's not bad, it's looking valid. So we just organize it a little bit so it's full screen. Then we just press share if all cool. You can resize it how you want, and then just basically click public view link. Boom, create public view link, copy it. Simple. Go back on the Bitlexol. First of all, we need to connect wallet. Is main. We connect in our wallet. Then we instantly put our link here that we copy on Canva, and then just let's go put symbol and the name of our token. I use this, just super simple. Little bit of description. We can write some like Zeus is now on crypto world. Fine. Basically press next. We are on the economics page. Decimals 9 because it's Solana. If there was 6, it's USDC instead of Solana. We just keep it 9. It's perfect preset settings. Total supply 1 billion because we want to control all 1 billion of the token. Keep it as it the preset, and basically just press next. Boom. The most important thing, it's revoke freeze. You must have to turn them on, all of them, because if you turn off revoke freeze, prevents freezing tokens accounts in the future. So the owner can just freeze the token, and if traders see this, nobody will buy it. Revoke mint, you can mint tokens in the future, so you can add the tokens, and this is not good for traders. They don't buy token again. And last, revoke update. You can just lock metadata. You can lock all the sales. Traders will not buy a token if this is off. So we keep it as it is and just press launch my token. Simply launching my token. There'll be a war. No, let's put our password. Shit. Boom. And there will be a warning. So we just press proceed because it's safe. I do this 1000 times. Yes. It's Phantom Wallet tweaking out. Just press continue. There will be a lot of transaction. Basically it's just Solana fees because they got a little bit of fee, like 0.0008, something like this. And the website creators, he have 0.1 sol of the fee. So just confirm, yes, confirm, and boom, our token created already, but it's not on a Radium because we need to put liquidity in it first. So we press copy address. Already we can copy address, and then just double check it on the sol scan so we can be sure that our token is already up. Let's see. Boom. You can see all the transactions that we just accept on a Phantom. It's already on our token. They go in our token. Mint is the revoke freeze that we use. This all the shit that we just accept. So basically, it's revoke freeze, it's revoke mint, it's revoke updates. It's all the just we accept. Let's go back on the website. Copy the address and press create liquidity pool so it redirects us to the Radium. So we go to the Radium. We can reconnect our wallet. It may ask you to reconnect your wallet. Then we just press base token, put our address and symbol in the name. Simple. Add user token, use 900 million I mean. I use always this amount. Then we just select Solana, because I have Solana, and we put 0.4. I recommend use all your funds you have for this, because you're not losing it, you're the first buyer. Then FT I use 2% all the time, it's worked the best for me, and just basically press initialize liquidity. Then we need to confirm it on a phantom, confirm, and boom, our token is live on Radium. As you can see, literally a minute ago, just started it, put it liquidity in it, and yeah. So now we need to track it like a professional on the DEX screener. How we do this? We go on DEX screener and put our address here. Our token will pop up. It may take like 2-3 minutes if it's not live. Then we press 1 minute. Some bots already buy it, as you can see, and some pretty nice amount. We have 360 amount. Right now we can go on a Radium when nobody buy it, press portfolio, go on a standard tab, so you can see your tokens, you pull. It may like load for 10 minutes. It's different all the time. It can take 1 minute to 10 minutes. I already have like some buys. You can see buys and sells, 20 bucks, 15 bucks, 3 bucks, 11 bucks. Boom, our first buy. After like 10 minutes, 5 minutes, first good buy. 83 bucks, 0.4 Solana, almost 0.5. Already 500 liquidity. Let's wait. Boom, another one. 105 bucks, bro. Instant sells, some bots instant sell it, but we got 0.6 from it. 0.6 Solana. It's a lot, it's a good buy. I think I'm fine with it, so I'm going to portfolio, standard tab, and now we need to press minus, slide it all the way to the right, and remove liquidity. So we got 1.3 Sol from it, $222. Press remove liquidity. Just simple as it. If you, for educational purposes only, by the way, then confirm, and boom, we got this amount in our wallet. After all the fees, 225. I'm fine with it. 1.3 Solana. I'm used like only 1 Solana, I think. I just got 0.3 in 10 minutes, and you can, the best of it, you can repeat it all the time. So if you want to do this the same, you can go to my Telegram, follow to my Telegram, and put the like. So bye bye.